Jai Hind everybody, मैं हरताज and it's not the best time for me to talk or something, but this is something that I want to talk about is I don't want to give any emotional pitch. I don't want to sound watery eyed या फिर emotional drama नहीं create करना चाहता. Antariksh, a cadet has lost his life. He's given away his life, which is something that I want to talk about. Here I don't want to talk about कि भाई क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ ये सब इंक्वायरी हो रही है. We'll discuss that. My respect to his parents because हम सिर्फ saying very bad, we are only making them cry. How much? सबसे पहले तो solution की बात करें. Solution is what can we do for the parents is most important at this stage rather than anything else, because they've lost the son, and the son, somebody who had done so well in his studies, was very focused, somebody who cleared his NDA, somebody who was very focused in getting to the Air Force, and who was there in NDA for such a long time. Remember one thing, he did not quit NDA. He kept on pushing up for it, and it takes a lot of courage to do that. Again, I'm not going into the issue of why it happened or making a YouTube thumbnail of saying bhai ye hua wo hua. I'm here to talk about something which is there for all the defense aspirants and all in general about life is mental health issues. What is mental health issues? Understand कि भाई that 5 minutes of peace, मैं generally बोल रहा हूँ, that 5 minutes where you can talk to somebody and somebody can put some sense in you at that time is most important, because आप अपने आप को इतना पुश कर देते हो, you feel that everything is so wrong and that 5 minutes of this confusion creates a havoc. सबसे पहले तो डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स या फिर कोई भी हो, उनसे बोला जाता है कि अब तो डिफेंस में जाना है, तेरे को स्ट्रांग होना है, तेरे को ये होना है. वी आर नॉट मेंटली फिट इनफ टू टॉक अबाउट इट. देयर इज अ प्रॉपर साइकोलॉजिस्ट, साइकेट्रिस्ट जो आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, आपको पुश कर सकते हैं कि भाई life is much more bigger than taking it in the wrong way. Second of all, the most important thing is being empathetic to any person who comes to you, whether वो आपका फ्रेंड हो, whether वो आप नहीं भी जानते हो. किसी को बुली करना to a certain extent when somebody is already down and further pushing him can create problems. So it is important to be empathetic at this time. Now similarly, सिंस आप फौज में जा रहे हो, आपको पता है इससे भी डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस आते हैं. वॉर के टाइम पे योर पेरेंट्स आर नो मोर, यू कैन नॉट गिवन अ हॉलीडे. ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं जहाँ पे मेंटली बहुत लेना पड़ता है एंड वो चीज़ से आदमी गो थ्रू करता है. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज टू लेट इट आउट and be calm about it, which is something that will be there. Similarly, a defense aspirant who's preparing, he's giving his best. Unfortunately, he was not able to get through. His dream is broken. Does he crush himself? That is where I think so it's important to talk. Second of all, this thing that a lot of people say कि court of inquiry, we want justice, we will get justice at the end of the day. अब मैं आपको बता देता हूँ court of inquiry क्या होती है. Team of officers are going to sit down. Everything is going to be discussed. Everything is going to be picked up from the date of his selection to everything else, and the people involved from their date of selection to their reports, everything is picked up. DIPR में जो भी रिपोर्ट्स होती हैं वो सब पढ़ी जाती हैं, उसके बेसिस पे सिमिलरली एनालिसिस किया जाता है. उसके बेस पे देयर इज, आई प्रॉमिस यू दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन गारंटी यू, डिफेंस में बहुत जल्दी चेंज होता है. अगर इफ समबडी इज फाउंड बुलिंग और समथिंग, ये स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स आपको देखने को मिल जाएंगे वेरी क्लियरली बहुत जल्दी. एज आई सेड, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. दैट इज समथिंग विद टाइम विल कम. बट जस्ट टू टेल यू कि भाई you have to be mentally very strong. अगर आप नहीं हो, talk to somebody, because at the end of the day your parents would be now as we talk about Antariksh, his parents are the biggest losers today. And we can, as I said, मैं सिर्फ उनको रुला सकता हूँ, मैं उनके लिए उनका बेटा नहीं लेके आ सकता, ना कोई और लेके आ सकता है. तो that 5 minutes of empathy from each one of us is most important. एंड ये आप याद रखो कि आपकी 5 मिनट की एम्पथी या फिर 5 मिनट ऑफ फन फॉर समबडी कैन बिकम अ डिजास्टर. सो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेकेंडली, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूंगा. देयर आर टू सेट्स ऑफ ऑफिसर्स व्हिच आर देयर इन सर्विसेज स्टिल, वेयर वी हैव समबडी, बिकॉज यंग ऑफिसर्स हैं, वो अग्री करेंगे, वो बताएंगे कि वाई उसके टाइम पे कई सीईओज उनको छुट्टी नहीं देते. बट दैट डज नॉट मेक देम, बिकॉज they do not get vengeful and everything. That is something that physically mentally बहुत strong होते हैं. बट वो चीज़ें हैं जो उनको वेंट आउट करनी चाहिए, वेयर दे कैन वेंट इट आउट, नॉट बी इन एंगर बट इन जनरल. You should always have a partner or a friend to talk to about it and to look for a solution. My only advice is to look for a solution, and when I say a solution is something that can help you solve, do not end it. अगर आपको लगता है कि कहीं problem है, before you take any of that step, it's best to talk to your parents or anybody, because at the end of the day, the loser are your parents and everybody around you. And at the same time, सबसे important is we as humans need to be empathetic. So इसके थ्रू आप प्लीज इसको, लेट्स नॉट मेक इट कंट्रोवर्शियल, बट ऑल आई एम टेलिंग यू, लुक फॉर अ सोल्यूशन. आपके हिसाब से सोल्यूशन, मेरे हिसाब से तो यही सोल्यूशन है, वेयर वी आर एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स एवरीबडी. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, कहीं पे भी आपको लगता है कि योर फ्रेंड इज़ नॉट फीलिंग वेल, यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड, यू फील दैट you can help him at any point of time, be there as a senior, whatever it may be. That is what it is required, because you don't know what the other person's state of mind is, and we are too incapable of talking this. My condolences to his family, because a bright star has been taken away from us, and that's something that nobody can replace. हम सिर्फ बात कर सकते हैं, उसको कोई नहीं replace कर पाएगा, because he's somebody who has given his best and everything. Wonderful child, got his career done, he made everything possible. Now जैसे बोलते हैं ना हम कि भाई अब तो क्रीम खाने का टाइम था, and at that stage something like this. So जय हिंद everybody, and I again wish कि be empathetic. कोई issues है आप बात करो, I'm there, everybody else is there, there are so many people are there, talk to them, but that is my only solution for it. And please do not believe any rumors that are there. Let the court of inquiry take place. And I promise you again, court of inquiry के through the entire SSB process also works, changes accordingly. Because जिसने select किया, suppose कोई लड़का था जिसने तंग किया, ये सब किया, उसका पूरा फाइल प्रोसीजर खुलता है, क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं क्या नहीं है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली सब चेंज होता है. So this is something that you will see for sure. Jai Hind everybody, and just wish, my only thing is pray for him, pray for his family. That is the best we can do, because it is their strength now, they require the strength rather than any person else.
फॉर्म तो मिलती है पर नींद खो जाती, अंतरिक्ष उड़ान था, दिल का अरमान था, आसमान तक जाना था, बस एक फरमान था, पर अंधेरों से लड़ी वो रोशनी के साथ,